Benny the brave little rabbit. A cute white rabbit named Benny hopping in a bright green meadow full of colorful flowers. Butterflies flying around, sunshine glowing. Rabbit standing on 2 feet, waving to a smiling yellow sun, with happy bees buzzing near flowers, clear blue sky, and fun. Small rabbit entering a magical forest path. Tall green trees with light beams shining through. Mushrooms. Curious, a little mysterious, but safe. Cute white rabbit discovering a tiny yellow baby bird on the forest floor. Bird looking sad with a broken nest behind. Rabbit's face full of concern and kindness. Bunny holding a big green leaf, helping baby bird climb back up to the nest. Both smiling, sunbeams shining through trees, bright forest. Rabbit and baby bird dancing in puddles under light rain. Smiling clouds, gentle raindrops, colorful umbrellas and reflections, rainbow lights starting to appear in sky. Bunny and bird looking up at a huge bright rainbow across the sky. Water droplets sparkling, green meadow shining, and happiness. Baby bird mother come back and take baby bird to her home happily. Bunny hopping home through a golden sunset field, carrying a small flower. Smiling warmly, birds flying above, cozy and peaceful ending scene. Moral: always be kind, like Benny the brave rabbit. If you like this bunny cute story, then subscribe this channel.